All right, so this is the Macy's Scents for Him and Her sampler. I can't get it fully on screen because I'm not super good at technology, but I picked this up. Also has a little bonus gift in there. But it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 samplers and a little gift. I went ahead and did the math on this because I'm a nerd, but essentially what you're paying for here is about 0.82 ounces of juice. So you end up at the price of $26, what I paid for it with a discount at $30 normally. What I paid for it was about $1.10 per milliliter, which it translates to in a for a full size 100 ml is about $110. So you're paying for basically what would be a lower like end price for a designer fragrance, but you're getting a whole selection of them to try out so you can pick out ones you really want. So I'm just going to open this up real fast and then we'll jump into it and see what's all in here. Obviously all this is in here. You can screenshot this and see what it is, or if you're curious what they actually look like, you can wait for me to open it up. The back has all the info on each individual one. There is not in each one an actual description of the entire smell profile, so hopefully that'll be part of the actual packaging in here, but if it's not, you might have to go online to actually look up what's going on with it. So let me pop open this box real fast. We can hopefully jump right into it. Let's see how this thing's packaged. Okay, good. All right, they're in individual. There's a little freebie right there. That's the Lover Vanilla Hand Cream. Cool, awesome. This is more for my wife. But this is for him and her. There's a bunch of different ones. Isn't that fun? Awesome. Big mess on my table. All right, so I'm just gonna burst through these. All right, so La Vie Belle. They each come in they're basically a little decant. That's all they are right there. Little tube. So you're not getting little minis of the bottles or anything. There's decants. Information's on each individual one. So there's La Vie Belle. There's YSL Libre, Flowers and Flames. That sounds pretty cool. I'm going to try to separate these out to men and women based on my knowledge of them. Polo 67, EDT, that's for me. Prada Paradox, Prada Virtual Flower, that's for the wife. Black Opium, YSL for the wife. D&G Devotion for, this is Eau de Parfum Intense. That's the wife's also. There you go. And then we get YSL Myself. Again, that's for the, I think that's for the wife. I don't know enough about YSL. I think that's hers. Oh, we got Coach Love. My wife actually already has this one, but we still got extra now, so there you go. She can use it as a travel spray. Then we got Issey Miyake. I think this is for her. Yeah, that's for her, I think. Here's my D&G Devotion. I think it's mostly women's perfumes in here, but there you go. There's Devotion for him. That's going to be my pile. Tiger Lily by Flower Bomb. I'm sorry, Flower Bomb Tiger Lily by Victor and Rolf. That goes to her. Hugo Boss. I think, is there two of these in here? Oh, no, there's Hugo Boss. It got attached to someone else's. There's Hugo Boss. That is Bottled Absolute. That goes to me. Spice Bomb by Victor and Rolf. This is Dark Leather, so that's definitely mine. This is Perfect by Marc Jacobs. A little spray of it. There you go. That's for her, obviously. Then we get Burberry Goddess. That's certainly not for me. So that's going to her. I think this is going to be mostly for her. Gentleman's Society by I'm going to mispronounce it. Giovanici. I'm going to mispronounce that. I'm a rube. I apologize. There you go. And then we got Irresistible by the same brand. Eau de Parfum. That's clearly for her. Burberry Hero. That's mine. And then here we got Cartier La Panthère. That's pretty much almost positive that's hers. And then we get Ralph Lauren Romance, and I don't know for sure if that's for me or for her, but we're going to assume it's for her. But yeah, there's the pile, guys. Not a lot for the gentlemen, guys. You got some, but I think the ladies got more. So cool little package. We're going to test them out later on and maybe do an activity with them.